question has many parts, A, B, and C. The directions: Morris purchased a 100-inch TV for his home movie theater at $7,500. As new technology is created, his TV drops in value, decreasing by 8% each year. So A says to write a function to model the situation. This just means that it won't have a t value number. T is going to be t, because then you can plug in any number to represent any number of years or whatever the time. In this case, it's years. You can plug in any number of years to figure out how much it will be worth. So his TV is decreasing in value, it's going down. So it's going to be decay. Y is equal to A times 1 minus R to the T. His starting value, the TV, he purchased it for $7,500. So it's Y equals 7,500 for the A. 1 minus, it decreases by 8% each year. So that's 0.08. And T is time, because again, this is an equation to model any amount of time. You can then plug in any T to figure out how much it will be worth. Which will help us on B, where it asks us how much will his TV be worth after 10 years. Well, all you're going to do there is you're going to use your function that you created and plug in 10 into the T value. This is saying after 10 years how much will it be worth. Well, if you plug this into your calculator, you're going to get $3,257.91. Make sure you're rounding correctly to the nearest hundredth. Lastly, after how many years will his TV be worth less than $2,500? So I was telling you guys with these problems, sometimes the time is going to be really long. Like we've had some problems where it's been close to 50, so you don't want to plug in, we know it's going to take longer than 10 years to get him $2,500 because we already tested 10. But some problems, it might be huge numbers that you have to test. Rather than do that, you can use your calculator and put in a table, or create a table. The way you would do that is you would put in this. Let me show you what you're going to enter into your calculator. You're going to click table. Click table. It's going to prompt you to make an equation. So it's going to say y equals something. This is when you will put in the function that you made. The only difference will be the t is going to be x. Time here it's on the x-axis. That's typically how you would see time, along the x-axis. So I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. You're going to put in 7,500 times 1 minus 0.08 to the x power. That's what you would put into the calculator. On the next page, it's going to, once you press OK, it's going to say starting value and the step. So on the next page, make sure where it says start, you just say 0, and where it says step, you put 1. This is saying where your x values will start from. This is saying how much they'll go up by as you go down the table. And then I think it says auto and something else, click auto. So make sure auto is selected. It will then give you the table. So looking at my table here, I would scroll down, I'd press down on the calculator here, right? The ones we have, this is the arrows, so you would click down, down, down until you see where it goes below $2,500. So for our purposes, I would scroll down and I would see, okay, and I want you on your work to make a little table. You don't have to show all the values, but show at least a couple leading up to it. So I would say, okay, after 12 years, 2757.50. After 13 years, it's worth $2,536.90. After 14 years, it's down to $2,333.95. This is below $2,500, so the answer for C would be 14 years. There you go.